Alright, you saw my last video. I'm getting into electronics. I've wanted to for some time. I haven't really done electronics since I was in university, which is almost 30 years ago. Now I got to take the circuit I've designed and written the program for and get it into actual form where it can be useful, because you can't use it on a breadboard. So I did a lot of research. I know on the Brewers list there's quite a number of electronics hobbyists. I did some research. I asked those guys. This unit is one of the two most highly recommended. This one and one from Weller, or one of several ones from Weller. So I picked this guy up. I'm pretty excited about it. So apparently the little stick units are not great for fine electronics, and I've never really done electronic soldering before, so it's all new to me. And I figure it's going to help if I start out with proper gear that's going to help me achieve my goal of being able to do something useful. So let's see, this is the stick. So the stick kind of, the cheap soldering irons are basically just one of these, and low wattage, and it plugs right into the wall. And you can get one of these for 15 bucks. You can get a nice set at Princess Auto for like, what was it, about 35 bucks. But this guy is a whole soldering station. Let's just have a look in here. I haven't opened this up yet. So this one is small compared to the Weller, which is kind of nice in my tiny house. And I like the fact that it's digital. It has the digital temperature reading, and the Wellers didn't seem to have that until you got really expensive. So that's basically all there seems to be to it. And we'll put this guy together and fire it up and see how it goes. So it's basically the stand. Where did my little pen go there? So that gets stored in there. When it's heating up, it plugs in here. Turn it on. The guy at the electronics store said this is the unit that most of the people that work there use. And apparently, I don't know, it's their favorite. 5 preset temperatures or something, I don't know. I don't know a damn thing about it yet, but we're going to find out. Alright, it comes with this little guy. I see they all have these, they have these sponges for dabbing stuff off of here. And I honestly can't tell you what this is for. Maybe the same thing for cleaning off the tip, I guess, is what I'm guessing. I'm going to find out. I haven't plugged it in yet. So, and through the magic of time-lapse photography, oops, yeah, I'm creating a, let's see here. Do you figure I should read anything before turning this on? I don't know. I guess it turns on over here. It hasn't blown the breaker yet. That's good. 750. Ooh, what's going on there? Maybe I will have to read something because I have no idea what it's doing right now. Oh, it's letting me pick, I think. If I hit enter, I see, bam. No, whatever. I guess I may have to read something to see what's going on here. But I'm pretty excited about it. Oh, that's getting hot already. And we'll see what we can find out. It's the Hakko, what's the model number? Yeah. FX-888D. The D means digital. The same model number without the D doesn't have the digital readout. Oh, look at the things that you find out when you read the instructions. It looks like this little guy, you're supposed to stuff it into this hole here, and it is basically, come on, it is basically the same purpose as this one for dabbing your tip on to clean it. Alright, I wonder what else will await me in the manual. Alright, the manual is not fantastic. I had it set to the default 750. I think I just changed it to 475, and it's not really explaining this in the manual, but I think the temperature now is cooling down to my desired temperature of 475, and then at that point this should lock in at 475. So double whammy with these simplified buttons. It's kind of a, I don't know, it's easy but it's simple. If you rely on too much with just a couple of buttons, you gotta push this, push that, blah 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 blah. Anyway, let's see what happens when it hits 475. And its accuracy is plus or minus 1 degree, which is kind of good. Alright, so my theory was right. It settled right into 475. Interesting. So basically hit enter. Oh, hit and hold enter. That flashes. Let's say I want 5. Hit enter again to go over 87. And then hit enter one more time. And it should go right up. Oh, look, it climbs pretty nicely. Bam. Alright, that's pretty cool. So I got to figure out what the right temperature is for soldering fine electronics. Alright, I'm going to have to take to YouTube and look up some videos on different soldering techniques. But without actually doing anything or looking anything up, I did manage to get this wire soldered. It was just a test little thing. I've got this board for my circuits that I will eventually transfer onto here. Managed to do that after about 5 minutes. The setting I found was 650. I think that was too warm, probably 600, that's Celsius. Anyway, I'm off to YouTube to look up some videos, and thanks to you fellow YouTubers who are going to show me how to do this.